Hi everyone, this is my website, and my main purpose to build this website that show for you my restaurant. And so I have some subject there. For example, in this website it's possible to see that my menu. When you click that, you can see that P18 is main plate. So my main purpose is to show that there is best foods in my city. So my major difficulty to do this work that is make the CSS is a color, combining color with the typography and designer is not it was not easy for me. So I like so much that put photos and something like that, or social media works. And to build it different pages like you process, when you click you process, you can see that my processing restaurants. So this page is good for me because this photo is combined with this many designed the colors for the photos, and is a little bit that my talking about where you begins and when you combine the balance and fitness. And I put some information about us, and it's like I live in Brazil, so I have a team in Brazil. So you can see a team, and we are doing for that. And it's possible through by the website, see colorful online if you want to ask for something special, you can call for us in calling order. So it's possible to see that my contact here. Confess that it's great for me because it's not it's very easy to put the address there. I didn't know that before, but right now I know. So I think I I got a good job for this website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.